Guys, pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang heat cycles ng pusa. Pag sinasabi po nating in heat ang pusa, we are referring to female cats. Babaeng pusa lang po ang may heat cycles. This period is also known as estrus or being in season. During this period, mapapansin po natin ang kakaibang behavior ng ating mga female cats. Lumalandi sila during this time kasi they are looking for their Prince Charming. Mapapansin mo na masyado silang maiingay during this period. Kaya sila nag-iingay, it's because nag-attract sila ng male cats. Masyado din silang affectionate during this time and maybe mapapansin mo na tinataas nila yung back area nila. Medyo agitated and napaka-restless nila sa mga panahon na to. Pwede natin itong maihalin tulad sa ating mga babae na malapit na ang period. Ito yung mga panahon na masyado tayong sensitive, irritable, masakit ang katawan, may cravings, at kung anik-anik pa. Nag-change din po ang appetite nila during this period. Maaari ding umihi sila sa ibang area ng bahay to mark territories, potentially to attract male cats or kapag nai-stress sila. Gaano katagal naglalast at tuwing kailan ang heat cycle ng cats? Ang average in heat cycle ng pusa is for 7 days at umuulit ang cycle na ito every 2 to 3 weeks. Ano ang kailangan nating gawin pag in heat ang ating alagang pusa? Guys, please understand that this is a very stressful time ng inyong baby. And for sure, napaka-stressful time din ito ng mga fur mommy and daddy. Kung ayaw nyo makipag-mate ang inyong cat, ihiwalay nyo muna sa ibang mga cats. Para matulungan siya ma-relax, pwede nyo po siyang bigyan ng catnip. You can also try using pheromone spray, pero wala po akong ma-recommend na brand kasi di ko nasubukan gamitin to. Pwede din ninyo ihiga sa warm pad which may help them relax. Alternatively, you can try pushing the restart button. Restart button talaga, panoorin nyo lang po yung previous video ko kung paano to. Lalagay ko sa description ang link. And guys, kung sakaling gusto nyo ipakapon ang pusa nyo, hindi recommended na gagawin ito during their heat cycles because of possible complications and excessive bleeding. So, kailan po pwedeng ipaspay ang cat ko? Pwede na pong ipaspay ang inyong female cats pag 5 to 6 months old sila, even before their first heat cycle. Kung sakaling lagpas 6 months na, huwag nyo pong itaon during their heat cycle. A cat can get pregnant 5 times a year po, kaya if hindi mapakapon yan, talagang dadami at dadami sila. For male cats naman, wala silang heat cycles but they tend to mature and maging sexually active starting 4 to 6 months. Yan lang muna today mga kakat lovers. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and share the love na rin by sharing this video to your family and friends. Thank you for watching!